Are you freaking the holy heck out because you can't seem to figure out why your normal maps look like this? Well, stop it. This is my get to the point already Sydney version of my more in-depth video about bit depth. I can almost guarantee that your problem is that you're using 8 bits somewhere in your graph, which means you're working with 256 shades of gray instead of the 65,536 shades of gray that 16-bit have to offer you. For smooth height and normal maps, you need a crap ton of levels of gray. So head on into your graph and figure out where an 8-bit node is messing up your life. Look at the numbers underneath the nodes. You're going to make sure that the nodes leading up to your height and normal information all have a 16L underneath them. If you see that there's an 8L under there, find the first place, so as far left in your graph where the 8 shows up. This could often be a uniform color node. Double-click that node, go to Output Format, and change it to 16 bits per channel. This should have a ripple effect throughout your entire node setup and fix your issue. If not, maybe check out my other not-so-to-the-point video about bit depth, because there I show different situations where this can happen. If yes, then yay, go us! Okay, bye!